let me... just give me 1 second here.
I think Allness is also a physics student.
Oh, yeah. That's
yeah. He's fun to watch.
Yeah.
I remember his last match. It was because I was actually working along with it, and he smoked me.
Oh, man. Okay. Well, let's see what happens here. So we're going to see this CAD battle in 3, 2, 1, go. What is the mass of this part in XXX grams? Tolerance is plus or minus 1 gram. And this is MMGS and plain carbon steel. Both of our runners are already at it. So here we go. Let's flip over. Let's take a look at how they do it. Looks like on both screens, we can see our runners selecting a plane and beginning a sketch. And now we get to see kind of the difference between the two CAD packages and also the difference between the two styles of creating CAD.
The approach is, that's probably one of my favorite parts. It's just, comparing how I would attack it versus how they're attacking it. Because it's a great place to learn.
Now we see Allness on the right doing a cut with that tombstone shape. Wow, look at that. Cut that tombstone and that hole through both ends. That was very speedy.
That was pretty
creation.
slick.
Yeah, I like that. I have to sip my coffee. I'm so nervous about this. And so we see Five Blacks looking at the mass and entering the mass. We see Allness has entered the mass of 838. That is correct. Wow, man. Allness.
And Five Blacks was just off.
Speed Demon, yeah. And Allness coming in right behind him, 847. So looks like
grams.
maybe there was something off on that. Yeah, the tolerance on that one was plus or minus 1 gram. So holy smokes, Allness just flying through that model. All right, cool. Well, GG, guys. Put GG in the chat. So close to both of our runners. That gives Allness 1 point, but the match is not over. We are going to do this as a best of 3. Allness saying so many small, tough details in this model. Yeah, that's cool. Good. Glad you enjoyed this challenge today.